The maintenance plan page under More Applications is where you'll create templates of the plans your team will sell. For example, you may sell residential and commercial maintenance plans. Click to add a new plan in the top right of the screen. Add a plan name like Residential Maintenance Plan or Residential One System Plan, for example, and add a description if desired. This description will show to your customers when the plan is sold on an invoice or a proposal. This is a great place for selling points along with a checklist of things the plan includes. Each customer that has an assigned plan will have a star next to their name. With the color code, you can customize the color for visual reference. Select the contract length. If Until Canceled is selected, the system will project out the next 20 years of service. The plan will not expire until then. You can always manually cancel a customer's plan if needed. Next, enter the annual price. If this plan has a definite cost. If the plan varies in cost, like a commercial plan for example, you can leave the price at 0 on the template. Remember that you will be able to assign and edit the price when selling this plan to a customer. Enter an account and class if you sync with QuickBooks. Select whether tax should be applied and enter terms if desired. These terms will show on the invoice for your customer to agree to when the plan is sold. You can type custom terms or upload a PDF. Add service windows for the number of visits your customer will receive with this plan. Select the time frame for the months you plan to visit. You are able to edit these when selling the plan to the customer. Enter a job name for record keeping and job information. Spring maintenance and fall maintenance, for example. If I am entering a commercial plan, I may add 4 windows and designate what needs to be cleaned with the job name. Filter changes, for example. Enter a job type and duration if desired. The duration will remind your team how long the maintenance usually takes. If this is a plan that will be customized often, you can leave the default duration. Click Save to save your maintenance plan template. Repeat this process to add more plans.